Hi stamping friends, it's Marilyn here today, coming to you to bring you some information about our up and coming soon, Stamping Staycation. We are so excited to be able to share another one with you. This is our fourth one. We are celebrating our first anniversary. We've done this for a year now, started last year when COVID locked us down into our homes with no more in-person classes. So we are doing virtual classes as well as this full day event that we have held 3 times, and we're holding another one on May 29th. So just wanted to share a few pieces of information about that with you. Some of you have been at all of them, some of you have been at 1 or 2, and we'd like to welcome all of you back, as well as any newcomers that would like to join us. There are 3 of us Stampin' Up! Demonstrators here in Alberta, Joanne, Lillian, and I, that put this together, and we have a great time doing it and hope that you continue to enjoy it with us. So what is it? Well, it's an all-day virtual event, crafting. You can come and go as you like. You can watch it all the time. We have 6 different presentations, 2 that each of us will do. Plus we have 3 tip videos we are going to share with you. We have a secret stamping event where you can stamp along with us if you so desire. And all of it will be recorded. We will share with you then at the end of each presentation, as well as at the end of the whole event. We will send you an email with links to all of the PDFs that we have prepared for the projects, along with the videos for the projects, and you will be able to enjoy them again and again at your own leisure. And even if you can't join us for the full day on the Saturday, we would love to have you join as much as you can, but we know people's schedules are busy, and if you can't do that, you can always come back to these videos to watch and catch up and make your project and share them with us. We ask that you share them. We will be providing a video on Facebook. Most of it's on Facebook, and I'll get into that in a little bit. We will provide you with a video as to where to post your projects, how to find us and find our projects on there. And we're trying to make it as easy as possible for all of you, whether you're talking to us or watching us, I should say, on a computer, on an iPad, on an iPhone, or the Android versions of those. And each time we do this, we are learning a little bit more about technology and, of course, how it changes fast. Even sometimes during the day we're doing it. And we would like to make it as easy as possible for you. So if you're on Facebook, that's great. You can watch along as we do it, or you can come back to it because that group will be there. Or if you're not on Facebook, you can still join us because we are also posting all of these items on YouTube. So you could watch the lives on YouTube later. Of course, it won't be exactly at the same time as we're doing the Facebook, and you won't have the interaction kind of thing that you would on Facebook with commenting for us, but it's still a great event. We have had some great positive comments from people. We've had some good suggestions for things, and we will be implementing a few different changes this time around, which we hope you'll enjoy as much as we're enjoying putting them together for you. So we have, like I said, we will have the 6 presentations, lots of tips and tricks as we go through them. We have variations that we show at the end that you can maybe use. Maybe you have stamp sets like those that you could use them for. So just give you an idea of what else you can do. So, like I say, it's a great, great event. We thoroughly enjoy it and hope you do too. We have the tips and tricks videos. We have challenges. And we will have some challenges coming up here very shortly for you to work on. So the event itself starts on Friday night at 7 o'clock Mountain Time with a Zoom to Facebook getting to know you, where the 3 of us will be on and share some tidbits of what we're doing and give you a lowdown of kind of what's going to happen the next day for the virtual event. Then Saturday we start at 9 o'clock Mountain Time and go to approximately 4:30. You can watch all day. There will be breaks in between because our presentations do not last a long time. And so you'll have time for bathroom breaks, grab a drink, grab something to eat, whatever, in between there if you want to spend the whole day with us. And if you've got other things to do, because like us, you're busy, I'm sure, you can come and go as you please. And shortly after the event, we will be sending out that email to all who register. So that virtual day, the full day, is on Saturday, May 29th. So we'd love to have you join us. You can join from anywhere in the world because we are not sending out products. So you can just sign in on your computer or whatever, on your device is what it's called, and join us that way. We'd love to have you. So all of that can come your way for $47. We each have our own registration form coming out to you. So hopefully you'll join us and we'll have a great day celebrating this birthday of Stampin' Staycation. Take care.